RCDOX, and this is our super cool snickerdoodle plane. This has been a terrific plane and we just love to fly it. This is one of the first builds for us, but it's still a great plane. Recently, Ed at Experimental Airlines had a competition about best airplane ski, and Ed is really emerging as one of the top RC teachers in our community. He just got great ideas and doing some great things. And in his competition, there are skis that were pretty good and some that weren't so good. One says skis by Mr. CCMTN Hill, the snow, and his plane, the Snow Angel. They looked really good. And some of them, they weren't the best, but they could have been better. Going way back, Lipo Pilot used to love skis. But the person who really has done it best would be Daniel at RC Test Flight. He's got some of the best ski flying video up. Here's a few tips about making good skis. What you don't want to do is make skis that are just flat and that can get stuck in the snow. You want to put up in the front. What you want in a pair of skis is a metal spring and a high angled range of attack. As you can see in this plane, there's probably a 30 to 35 degree angle of attack. What you're looking for is a lot of bounce when the plane hits the snow. That allow you to handle deeper snow or chunks of snow. And these landing gears look really good, and they're a good example of a succeeded pair of skis. And it's really just fun to be buzzing along the snow like a snow bug. Go flying and making skis and have fun. We're RCDOX. You're looking for a lot of balance when the plane hits the snow.